We were on our way to Reykjavik, but we saw a wool factory sign, so we're gonna go check this out. Oh, push. Woo. The craftsmanship on that thing. What is?
One sweater.
No, how much are they?
$200.
$200?
Yep.
Yeah. Not bad. I'll tell you, like any of them? Whoa. That's where they make them. That. Different color threads. A lot of sheep in Iceland, so hats. Yeah. What's up?
Biden. It's Biden, Mom. Yeah, it's not.
That is not Biden.
It is, isn't it?
Come on now.
No, it's not, Mom.
Well, what is it?
He's everywhere.
That's Bernie.
Look, that's his mittens. Dude, I gotta get this.
Yeah, it's from the meme.
Dude.
It's from the meme.
Look. All right. What is the price on this thing?
Look. Yeah, I know.
That's his mittens. And right here. Right here. Our van is two-tone now, like everyone else's car. Dude.